In this video, I'm going to show you how to post on Instagram from computer. Many people say to me that they can't post on Instagram from computer because there is no plus menu when they want to upload a photo or a video. And in this video, I will give you the solution. This is very easy and very simple. Make sure that you watch the video until the end because each step is very important. Let's check it out. To post on Instagram from computer, the first you have to open the browser. Okay, in this case, I will use Google Chrome. Let's open the Google Chrome. And then type Instagram. Instagram.com and press enter. After opening Instagram.com, you can see here that there are no menu to add photos or videos. We can scroll down and still there are no menu to add photos and videos. Okay, how is the solution? The solution is we have to find a way how to make the plus menu to add photos or videos appear in this browser. Right click on the browser and choose Inspect. Yeah. We can see here that there are menu toggle device toolbar. The function is to resize the screen of the browser. If we click here, the resolution of the browser is changed. Click here. Okay. Let's choose this resolution. This resolution is the same as phone resolution. And then after choosing this, reload the browser. Press enter. Yeah. The browser has been reloaded and we can see here it is a miracle that we can see a plus menu to add photos and videos. When this menu appears, we can upload photos and videos easily on Instagram from computer. Let's try. Let's click. Yeah, we can choose the photos or videos we want to upload here. For example, I will choose this photo. Okay, open. You can do the next step as you do on the phone. Okay, that is the tutorial how to post on Instagram from computer easily and fast. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.